everyone! Hold on, the camera is... There. Hello everyone! Sorry, the camera was not balanced. So today we are going to make carrot cake. So Jimmy has been asking this for a while now. Ever since we moved in this house, I haven't made him this carrot cake, and this is his favorite. So last night he said, "Can you please make me my carrot cake, or even just cookies if it's not too much?" So I thought of making a carrot cake, and I will show you guys how I make it. It's very easy and very simple, and my recipe is from inspiredtaste.net, but sama kayo sa akin while I'll make it. The ingredients we need are 2 cups of flour, any kind of flour, and 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of fine salt, 1 1/4 cups of oil, any kind of oil. You can even use butter, but I prefer to use canola oil. And what else? Ground cinnamon. I have this here, the cinnamon Dutch ground. And what else? Sugar. I use brown sugar and white sugar, and that is 1 cup each. And then I have this imitation vanilla, or you can use vanilla extract, which is 1 teaspoon, and this is optional, walnuts. And I'm gonna go ahead and get 4 eggs, and then we are going to start. And also you need 2 to 3 cups of carrot. Medium bowl, we need to mix the dry ingredients. So we need to whisk the flour, baking soda, salt, and cinnamon together.
Oh God, damn, you made me feel sweet. And if I'm losing my mind, would you lose yours with me? You made me wanna melt like butter in the pan. It's hard to keep my cool, knowing I'm your man, so let's spend some time.
Set this aside, and then we need another bowl. Oh my gosh, I'm not prepared for this. So we need a bigger bowl, and that's where we are going to mix together the wet ingredients. So what we need is the oil. Wait, I'm gonna use the sugars. I'm gonna put the sugars first so that the measuring cup won't be wet. So 1 cup of each kind of sugar, the brown and the white sugar.
Wasting it away. Your love is like music. You went and changed the game. We're breaking all the rules. Our star signs don't match. Immigration issues, trying to prove I'm with you.
And now we are going to mix it. And we need to add the eggs one by one while mixing it. So, oh my goodness, what's wrong with me today?
I'm gonna miss you, wait to see you go. Wish time could just go slow. Would truly dim my heart, but it's only time apart. In no time we gon' be right back, right by my side like a monkey on my back. It's been a ride and we know when it's done. I guess you need the lows to know when you're up.
This is now what it looks like. And then now I'm going to add these ones in 3 parts. And then mix it. So I've mixed all the flour and the dry ingredients there already. And now I am going to chop my walnuts. I think that's enough. Put in the carrots and the walnuts. Oh, I'm making a mess again. That's fine. It's okay to make a mess if you're the one who's gonna clean it. Just clean after yourself and that will be fine. I just found out that I don't have baking paper. I ran out. So I guess I'm just gonna use this. And hold on. I'm just gonna lightly spread oil so that it won't stick. Is that a lot? I don't know. And then just put it there. This is the reality of baking, guys. Why do they make it so nice in videos, but in reality it's a mess. It's a big mess. It's a big freaking mess. I'm not sure how long I'm gonna cook this one because my baking dish is deep. Maybe it's like 1 hour and a half. Just put a little bit of that. No, not a little bit, maybe a lot. Temp check. It's 180. Put it inside. Oh my god, this is hopeless. I need a tripod. Let's leave it for 40 minutes from now, and then I'm gonna check it in 40 minutes. And in the meantime, I am going to clean this freaking mess. So my class started and I wasn't able to show you guys the carrot cake. I just got it outside the oven for like 1 hour and 20 minutes.
Thank you, Kate.
Thank you, Kim, for the answer.
Thanks, everyone. Good job. You do all the work. It's free. Yeah, well done.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah. Take care. See you soon. See you next.
Okay, so I didn't show you guys the cake is finished already. It's a bit burnt on the side, but that's fine. I cooked it for like 1 hour and 20 minutes, and then it's now cooling on the rack, and then now I'm going to make the frosting. So I'm just going to use cream cheese, sugar, and I don't have full cream milk. No, I don't have the heavy cream, so I'm just gonna use full cream milk. I haven't tried using this before. I hope it will come out okay. Okay, so I cut it in half, and then here's the cream cheese, and now I'm gonna put cream cheese on top, and cream cheese on the top here as well. So I am going to eat my carrot cake, and no one's gonna ask from me. Whoa. Wow, so excited. I'm so excited. So the sir is still not in the mood to eat the carrot cake, so I'm gonna eat it myself. Mmm. Mm. Yeah.
Oh, good.
Hmm?
Mountain clips niya, tag $119. Like that.
For four?
What for 4? Looks yummy.
It's not even sweet.
Pwede. Later, I'll eat.
Hey, you ate the bottom half. Look
No,
what
no.
he ate.
Nice.
Okay, it passed. Bye. Don't forget to
Like and subscribes.
down below. Don't forget to
Likes and subscribes.
click the thumbs up and subscribe and ring the notification bell.
Din na.
Yeah. I heard that from other YouTubers. Okay, bye.